Hey YouTube, this is just a short video of our gaming PC. It's a very high performance gaming PC. Please look at the specs. It's a quad-core AMD processor, quad-core AMD A6 processor with 8 gigs of RAM. It has a very powerful graphics card. All the specs are on the link on the website. This is just to give you an idea of the sound and picture quality. This top-end PC has 14 top of the range games, which I will show you in a minute, and it also comes with this 40-inch Ultra HD 4K sharp smart TV. So I'll just give you a quick idea of the picture quality and the sound quality.
You're after something. Is it revenge? Money? Or is it something else? You look good. A little rough around the edges, but good.
Heard about a job. Big shot gangster putting together a crew.
I'm a driver, and I'm a flyer. I waited a long time for a shot like this. What do you think? Well, what do you know?
You got a line on a ship?
Yeah, I know a guy. He's the best smuggler around.
I heard a story about you. I was wondering if it's true. Everything you've heard about me is true.
L3!
Let's go with the mean man's face.
Who are these guys? If you come with us, you're in this life for good.
You might wanna buckle up, baby.
Let me give you some advice. Assume everyone will betray you, and you will never be disappointed.
I got a really good feeling about this. Since when do you know how to fly? 190 years old? You look great. Push it.
Right, so that was just a quick preview of the sound and picture quality. This TV is fully smart, so you can get all your Netflix pictures, BBC iPlayer on demand, channel 4, 5, all your free sat channels. This PC also comes loaded with these top-end games, so you've got Football Manager 19, Far Cry 5, Witcher Hunt, Doom, Call of Duty Advanced, Black Ops 3, World at War, Grid 2, GTA 5, Watch Dogs, Mirror's Edge, Catalyst, I Am Alive, and Prey 2017. Just to give you a quick idea of the gaming quality, I'll just quickly load a game for you. Right, that is Call of Duty Black Ops 3. And this PC is also connected via a mini HDMI cable, so you get the HDMI sound quality, you get the HDMI picture quality connected to a HDMI port onto this 4K TV. Let's give you one more preview. You've also got the full PC capabilities. You've got Office 2010, word processing, Excel spreadsheets. There is also photo editing software for YouTube videos, and it has antivirus software already loaded. Right, and that's Doom loaded onto there as well. So there you have it, guys. That is the quad-core AMD A6 PC. Comes with 14 loaded games, 4K Ultra HD Smart TV, and Office 2010 antivirus software. It's got YouTube, Adobe Acrobat Reader, all the usual Office software that you need. Thank you for watching, and please have a look on our profile for more smart TVs and videos. Thank you for watching.